How to boost Wi-Fi on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost your Wi-Fi on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to check your signal. So move closer to your Wi-Fi router for stronger signal and avoid walls or metal object that blocks Wi-Fi. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to toggle airplane mode. So here always turn airplane mode on for 5 seconds and after that simply turn it off. And once you do that, this will refresh your Wi-Fi connection instantly. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to forget and reconnect. So here you can simply go to the settings and tap on the Wi-Fi, and here you can just tap on safe networks, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on forget network. And once you're done with that, you can simply reconnect the same network with the password. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to restart your router. So power off your router for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on. And once you do that, this will often improve the Wi-Fi speed and stability. And that's it. Those are some easy ways to boost your Wi-Fi on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.